sa Turkish Palace, Turkish restaurant here. You feel like you're in Turkey?
This way.
Yeah, this way. Yes, I know.
Welcome,
But I
How
went.
are you? How was everything?
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah.
Welcome to
Alhamdulillah.
Turkey.
Yeah, Turkey. I went there before. Don't worry. So, yun na nga. Yung kaibigan ko na napunta sa Turkey, pinaknakawan siya guys. Yung bag, nandun yung passport, nandun yung passport, nandun lahat. So, ang nangyari, na-stolen yung passport niya doon sa Turkey. So, yan. This is Turkey like Turkey. Yes. So, hindi ko alam kung ano dyan. Ito kasi may bayad to eh. May bayad kasi to. Ito yung sa body mass index mo. Ayan. Magbabago. Ayan. Ayan, ganyan siya. Oh, pumasok ka dito. Yan. Body mass index mo, ganyan. Gagana yan.